Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to remove or delete Instagram Reels. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And then here you will find your posts and reels. So just tap the middle icon here. Just head over to the reels that you have made, and if you want to delete it, what you can do is just to tap on the three dots on the lower right corner, and here if you want to remove it from the main grid, just tap on remove from main grid, and you can also delete it by tapping delete. And once you tap delete, it will say you can restore this reel from recently deleted in your activity within 30 days. After that, it will be permanently deleted. Any content using your original audio will be muted if you restore your reel. This content will be unmuted. So just tap on delete, and as you can see, it is being deleted. And yeah, the reel is currently deleted. And yeah, this is how you can just delete your Instagram reels. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.